Hi friend, in this video I will show you how you can convert any Word document into PDF. So let's get started. First open any Word file into Microsoft Office Word. Once open, click on File. After that click on Save As. Now here select the destination folder where you want to save this PDF file. I'm going to save it on my desktop. Now here type the file name. PDF. After that, make sure save as type. You should select PDF. Once you done that, click on save. Once done, close the Office. Now, as you see, my Word file is converted into PDF. So through this way, you can easily convert any Word file into PDF. If you find my video helpful, then do subscribe, like, comment. Thanks for watching.